141, right back. I got the irons locked on hold. A little bit more. Oh, 141, walk up. I need to do it. Hey, Wildcat, man, you do read the mail right, man. Hey, Wildcat, you got a lot of money, it's the east side of the Bleak Island. I'm not the imposter from Maui, now, remember that, Wildcat. Hey, Wildcat, 141. Where you go, man? Parking around the green is almost an evening time. Turning from evening time around the green lights, parks and more cars get now. Go down the Big Island, no doubt about it. Wildcat, 141, this Big Island station still coming this mail. My wife stepped in while you were talking, man. She asked me how come I didn't call her where I was wondering where she was at. She's a big girl. Hey, eat it time, 135, punch, get down. Hey, A231, top of the day to you. A231, Old Buckethead, west side with no conditions with the wave got down and gone.
Hello, Buckethead. Hey, Buckethead, Master P over here in the bluegrass waving at you, Buckethead, break.
What's going on, Master P? Long time, don't put it down on, man.
Hello, Master P. Master P, top of the afternoon to you, Deputy Dog on the way.
P, a long time friend, Old Buckethead with the wave got down and go.
Yeah, 14 just waving a hand, man. Trying to work his transmitter. I heard you too, Deputy Dog. Top of the afternoon, the evening time, the both of you skankerbangers. While y'all working the west side, Master P trying to get it back with this transmitter, break.
Yeah, you just get lost in the shuffle. I ain't got everybody.
Hello to you, 695 there in Cincinnati. You jumped right up in this bar, so I'm going to wave right back. 695 there in Cincinnati. Deputy Dog waving your way.
Oh, Master P, man, I ain't talking to that rascal, man. Probably about... Yeah, I know. I should have just said, really? I should have just said, really? They throw some numbers out here. Let me get on out of their way. Punch, west side, back out.
410 there, 695. I tell you what, I got them sitting here at the bar. You just make sure you pick them up on the way out and don't drip them in the floor. Hey, 695 in Cincinnati, Deputy Dog, Buck Owens Country, leaning back on this old bar stool.
So it's always a pleasure, man. That's what that...
I hope my cousin got me one too. Hey, Deputy Dog, make sure my cousin 695 got me a drink too that break.
Take him run this rascal out of my radio room, man, so he go.
Hey, Master P, I got it. Don't worry. Don't worry. It's sitting there ready for you to go. All right, boy. Busy out here. I just wave my hand, tip my hat to everybody while I sit here on the bar and listen.
Yeah, 10-4. Yeah, 695, my cousin up there in the Queen City. I'll make sure he got me a drink too. I didn't want him to forget about me since he put that mall on me that break.
You ain't got nothing to worry about, Master P, right now. Hey, Master P.
Hey, Mission Control, before you go too far, make sure you pee. If you haven't got one in a while, it's better to start that quiet.
Yeah, fool. What's up, man? Hey, Punch, I tried to come back down and wave at you, but them big boys was out there. I couldn't get you. I was looking in the corner, and I thought I brought it down to you. I'd make some difference, but shit, them cat niggas had my damn radio tied up, no doubt. Top of the evening time to you. Hey, Punch, Hawaiian Punch, your little brother in this great big transmitter getting down.
Willie guy over there getting a little crazy over there. I'm back out.
Who's that getting crazy? Who's getting crazy? Punch that break.
You probably on those damn 500Zs, cotton picker. You said you were on your modulator when you were talking to me. Hey, now, yeah, you ain't on it no more, cotton picker. Evening time. Hey, son, really? Really? Hey, son, evening time. Punch, get down. They call me.
Yeah, you know these cat niggas like to lie about everything they doing. Hey, Punch, you know that's how it go. It's the Super Bowl. You bring what you swing. Put it on your later, Punch. It's 20-footer getting down.
That I do. You said it's the Super Bowl. You bring what you burn. Well, that's what I do. I try to do the best. Hey, 135, I see ya. Punch and more punch gone.
That's Master P said that. Hey, Punch, that was Master P that said that. You bring what you swing. I see ya. Have a good night. Hey, Hawaiian Punch. I'm getting down.
With the weight. Yeah, I heard you come in there too. Hey, I heard you come in there too. Hey, Master P, I heard you come in there too while you getting down.
Getting right here, man. Alright, man, I ain't gonna stick and stay. I just wanted to say hey to some of our CB friends. If you got a copy, hey, Worldwide Hawaiian Punch, your little brother over here in the Bluegrass, 4 Element Quad, getting down.
Now, that quad's doing some talking. I hear what's his name, VFO, come in there, and then I hear you say you working that damn quad. He was working for you. Hey, Master P, that cotton picker working along with your Johnson, no doubt about it. Hey, Master P, Hawaiian Punch, right back.
Yeah, I done put my other one in. I gotta work the bugs out of this camera. I just put it in about an hour ago. So I gotta get this camera on, get everything tuned out on this camera. Takes a minute to get this camera lined out, no doubt. But I'm gonna keep working with it for the rest of the night, that break.
You told me to look at this 37-footer, cotton beggar, while you're getting down. 135, Punch got down.
Yeah, he damn near doubling me up. Hey, he damn near doubling me up. But this 20-footer is a full wave, ain't a half wave. Put it on your later, a Punch. It's 20-footer getting down.
You said it's a full wave, ain't a quarter wave. Hey, Master P, you said it's a full wave, no doubt about it. I wrote it like you told it. Master P, Punch, right back.
Tenraya. So he needs about 40 foot to make up my 20 foot. He needs 40 to make my 20. Put it on your later. Hey, Hawaiian Punch, it's full wave quad, getting down.
You said you're gonna take a full wave. It'll take a quarter wave anytime while you out. And 135. Are you trying to say a full wave's better than a quarter wave, mate?
No, that's what this Master P saying. That's what Master P said. You had it all twisted up. It's gonna take 40 foot to make up on this 20-footer with being a full wave. Hey, Hawaiian Punch, Master P with that 5 getting down.
You said a quarter wave, but you can't do nothing with that Yagi. You said you can't do nothing with that Yagi. Well, you talking to a cotton-picking Yagi, no doubt about it. Hey, 135, me and my Yagi getting down.
I'll make it rough on him, though. Hey, Punch, I'll make it real rough on him. You say that cat nigga, y'all looking yaggy. Well, I'm gonna put this wall around them goddamn Yaggies. Put it on you later, I see it.
You said you're gonna get out of there. But, let me do this before I unkey this damn thing. Hey, 135, before you get out of there, let's say, hey, Master P, key up one time before he gets out of there. Hey, Master P, 135, I'm reading the mail.
You want him to cut that radio? You want him to cut my radio off? He got Mother Nature. What do you want him to do? Cut my radio off? Hawaiian Punch, I'm getting down.
Oh, no, No, I heard 135's VFO, and then I heard Master P says he want me to cut that radio off. He want me to cut that radio. Hey, 135. I come pick. I heard your VFO. You were in there for a little bit, and then that Master P come out there, and he says, "What do you want me to do? Cut his radio off?" Hey, we gotta do that one more time. Hey, before we go, 135, Master P, come on.
Hey, Hawaiian Punch. Me and this 20-foot in the bluegrass with my VFO getting down.
Shit. That 5-5 so keyed down, man. He said, you don't have to worry about neither one of them. Oh, shit. That 5-5 keyed up, and he said, you don't have to worry about both of them, because Daddy's home. Hey, 955 Punch, evening wave.
Hey, Hawaiian Punch. Share some of that antenna. Share some of that antenna. I know you're looking over here in Texas, but share some of that antenna. I'll tear that duck pluck up too. I see.
410 955. He told me to ask 135 and Master P if you had enough, or do you want to go some more rounds? Hey, 955, I wrote it like you told it. You told me to tell 135 and Master P, do they want to go another round? Punch, getting down. I'll see.
Well, share the antenna. Hey, Hawaiian Punch, share the antenna, and I'll go. I'm a key anyway. It don't make no difference. I'm a key with them duck pluggers. Hey, Hawaiian Punch, ain't no shame in my game. I'll key with all of them that break.
Master P said, share my antenna. He told me to share my antenna, and then 955 keyed up. I said, did I do that again? That's what Master P, I didn't hear 135. I don't know if he keyed or not. But Master P keyed up, and he asked me to share my antenna. I'm thinking he said split the difference, and 955 keyed up. It says, hey, that's what's happening right now. 8955 Master P Punch getting down.
No pain, no strain, man. All I ask to do is make it fair. I key with 955. That duck plucker bad too. Ain't no pain, no strain, but I'll key this 20-footer with anybody. I don't give a damn. This shit don't hurt. Hey, Hawaiian Punch, Master P with the high five. I'm getting down.
Getting down. 2 P said, what's up? I'm getting down. 41095. You told me to tell P, you a friend of his. You told me to tell him what's up, but you the big man around Victoria, Texas. No doubt about it. I wrote it. You told me to tell Master P what's up. And you the big man, and you're known as a bully. A bully. 955, punch back out. Fuck 135. Take care, bro. Hey, son. Hey, son. Really? Catch you later. Punch back out.
Man, I can hear them duck pluckers. Hey, Hawaiian Punch, I can hear both of them cat biggers. I see.
I'm glad I can't hear him. I don't hear Hawaiian Punch either, which Dr. Warman. Hey, 955, you said you saw him slip.
What's up, man? What's up, Which doctor? You said you glad you can't hear neither one of them. You glad you can't hear him. Which doctor? Master P, break.
Yeah, Master P. I can't hear him. All I hear is Master P. Hey, Master P, which doctor? Big old Tuesday wave.
Yeah, right back, man. Yeah, 955 and 135 going to Hawaiian Punch. He's looking at them duck pluckers, but it is what it is. Hey, which doctor? Good evening to you. I'm getting down.
63. Well, that's pretty crazy. I don't hear 95 on them guys either. Oh, boy, you must have a pipeline right to my antenna.
They just got Mother Nature with him. Hey, Hey, Witch Doctor, they got Mother Nature with Hawaiian Punch, but shit, I kept keying anyway. This shit don't hurt. Hey, Witch Doctor, this shit don't hurt. I see it.
I don't know. That's an error right there. That's what Mother Nature will do for you. Well, I'll get out of the way so you can hear that Hawaiian Punch. Make sure he ain't rolling no fives on you. King David out there. Jeez.
Oh, it don't make no difference. He can roll 'em. Hey, I got my Watergate, and you all up in my Watergate, so I don't worry about that. I talk to my radio Witch Doctor, so it'll talk back to me that break.
Yeah, I'm the same way. I don't worry about it here. I'm not sure somebody somewhere rolling fives, but hey, we don't care. We talking to each other. Witch Doctor right back.
You got up, I got down. Hey, Witch Doctor, you got up, I got down. Evening time, my brother. Always a pleasure to hear you in that cardboard box. I see.
I get out of the way, though. I just wanted to wave at you there. Master P, with all that good sounding audio. Well, Witch Doctor, I get back in the bush.
Keep a half a dozen for yourself. Hey, Doctor, keep a half a dozen for yourself. All right, man, I'm going to sit down and drink me something cold. Me and this antique transmitter trying to tune up. I see you. Bye-bye.
Right? And you did just that. Hey, big man, 955. Oh, yeah, and good job on your Suburban, man, out there in that break. I just want to let you know I listened to it, man. You did some pretty good thing out there on that AC Sky. That's what I'm thinking, sure. The only one up there stepped up to the plate. But anyway, 955, take care. Hawaiian Punch, West Side gone.
Hey, Snoop Dogg, say cowboy. Snoop Dogg, say cowboy. Oh, Snoop Dogg, you're cowboy in downtown California. Snoop Dogg, cowboy, standing by.
Oh, yeah, he sounds real good. Hey, number 8. Buckhead sounds real good. Wasn't fired that much. Yeah, 410. I know. Every time they had breaks out there, he couldn't key. Ain't nobody up there stepped to the plate. California. You could have bought some trucks out there and keyed, but you did put a show on. And the talk was like, I guess you blew one Z. I don't know. It could be a lie. I don't know. But good job. Good job out there on your Suburban. And that Suburban looks fucking tight. It looks real good. 8955 Punch out there. Hey, what's going on there, Mr. Control? Shoot, I'm going to say hello. I was saying hello to number 8, but shoot, I'm going to say hello to you also there, Mr. Control. I don't know if this is my night. Shoot, I don't know if Tuesday is my night, but shoot, I thought I might key this mall down. It looked like conditions are still in here there, Mr. Control. Hey, hello to you there, Mr. Control. Yeah, that's for sure. Well, yeah, you represented Victoria, Texas, time, Peter. You said you weren't playing around. You did what you got to do. Well, I wonder if it would have turned. You said the second time around. I wonder if it would have turned if that thing didn't blow. You don't know. But I'm sure you'll be back next year. 8955, I see you. Bye. Hey,
Hey, Punch, you up in Northern Cal? Are you down in the middle? You up north or you in the middle? Hey, Punch, I'm getting down.
every time I key this time thinking them all down, I put California and Colorado and Arizona on hold number. 410. 955. Usually you're going to let the green light go, you're going to take your shoes off, and then they do some talking. And when you unkeyed, I heard over King David coming there. You guys are bad cotton pickers, that's for sure. 8955, 135, Master P, King David, Hawaiian Punch gone.
Hey, Punch, where you at? I'm Northern Cal. You up in Northern Cal? Hawaiian Punch, I'm being nosy. Break.
heard Master P first, man, and then 0955. Let me get on out of here, man. I try to do the best I can out here, man, trying to do a rep, man. You guys got my radio tore up from the floor up. Hawaiian Punch. 8955, good job. Punch, West Side gone.
Tell him I said good job too. But I'm trying to figure out, I can't remember where the hell you at. You up in the Northern Cal, or you in the middle? You up Northern Cal, or you in the middle there, break?
I got this, man. The number 8, I have. That's in stereo too. Yeah, it's in stereo too. 8955. It's in stereo too. You got that bad mama jama down. Already 955. Small man around Cali, Hawaiian Punch, working this Mother Nature, and I see it, click. You know, talk.
I hear Cat making Fireball. That Cat maker's got that, he got that South Sea trying to work for him now. I hear old Fireball coming over here in the bluegrass, so I'm gonna see what goes on. Me and this 20-footers checking the mail.
Really? Hey, son. Good job. Punch, back out. Now? Well, you're right, number 8. I'll tell you what, number 8. It is all about the location. Here's what it is. And I'm going to give you the answer now. Position and condition. If you got the condition, and you got the position. Really? Ain't nothing going on. Hey, 135, really? Ain't nothing going on. I'm back out. Hey, number 8, no land and no reflex. Fireball sitting on back. I knew you were gonna key. Well, Fireball out there now, so I better sit back and read the mail and see what's cracking and what's popping. Hawaiian Punch, back out. 67.
How'd you know he was gonna key? Hey, Punch, how'd you know he was gonna key that break?
Because somebody called him. They said, Punch got some Mother Nature out there. Punch has a little bit of Mother Nature. Let me stop that gun bigger. You know how it is. You're a small man around Cali. They don't like to let me do some talking. But that's okay. Somebody called him. Tell you better get out there. I knew they were going to call somebody. I'm back out.
Shit, just key up and talk on your radio, man. Have fun. Don't let this shit bother you. I'm a small station too. Hey, Hawaiian Punch. I'm a small station too, that break.
I have fun all the time. Hey, Master P, I don't let it worry. I get keyed on all the time, Cotton Picker, Master P. But I try to do the best I can when I do. Hey, Master P, I do it when I can. Hey, Master P, you said just talk on that Cotton Picker. Hawaiian Punch, back out.
010. Tell old 955 at the plucker, I could hear him up here, man. Hey, he was giving me about 6 pounds, man, talking on that backscatter. And like you said, it was in stereo too, that break.
And I see you, Master P. Hey, Master P, I don't hate nobody. I just try to do the best I can. I just have fun with the radio. If I can't do it, I just walk. Hawaiian Punch, I see ya.
I'm glad you feel that way, because that's the only way to be. Don't never hate nobody. You can't get to heaven. You can't get to heaven if you're hating on somebody, that break.
I'm telling you, man. Main Zero Replay. like number 8 out there, old Witch Doctor. See if I can roll up in that radio. Hey, number 8, roll a leaflet, old Witch Doctor, that middle of California. See if I can roll up in the radio. Mud duck, fireball this,
Oh, ta. I got this old number 2 in line now. That cat nigga doing pretty good. Hola. Look at that audio in the bluegrass getting down.
Style 2. You said you got number 2 in line. Look at that audio. Hey, Master P, you said you got that number 2 in line. And you got that audio. Hey, while I'm stepping wide to the side, evening time wave and I talk.
That's more than 4 watts, man. That's gotta be more than 4 watts you doing.
Yeah, 410. I ate the punch. It was a pleasure to put the holler on you, man, and it's always a pleasure, man. Hey, Punch, until we get back and do it again, you keep doing what you doing. Hawaiian Punch, your little brother, Master P. Me and this Forlemy Quad, the 20-footer, getting down.
Hey, Master P, that sound like more than 4 watts, man. Hey, Master P, that sound like more than 4 watts, man. You all up in the taco truck.
This fireball can do this.
Well, yeah, you right. But it ain't much more than that. It's a single-digit station over here, man. Single-digit station. I'm talking about bushels. So that lets you know I'm a small station while you working that taco truck. I see.
Sounding good too, man. You all up in this taco truck. I knew it, man. I knew it was more than 4 watts, man. Cause you all up in here, man. And we in Tijuana. Hey, Master P, I knew it was more than 4 watts. Rice and bean gone.
Hell, this transmitter do about 115. Loaded all the way up. Well, I'm doing probably about 95 right now. That's just on the transmitter. That cat making transmitter is doing about 95 by itself, that break.
Hey, go, man. You all up in here, man. It's like you can kill my neighbor, man. I got a neighbor like a block away. Hey, Master P, you could probably kill my neighbor with all them watts, man. You gotta lay down.
Yeah, but I'm telling you, it ain't a whole lot considering where we at. I'm one of the smallest cat niggas around, cat nigga. I can't do double digits. And that's the truth, fool. Hey, Taco Tuesday, wave to you. Hey, rice and beans, I'm getting down.
Yeah, me too, man. Hey, Master P, me too, man. I can't even cut my motor on. I can't start the motor on this taco truck, man, 'cause I got too many black smoke coming out the tailpipe. But when I get my motor fixed, I'll be able to turn the motor on, man. I might be able to key on somebody then. Hey, Master P, rice and bean in the taco truck said that.
Shit, all you need is some Mother Nature. That's what gets me through. Put some audio and ride them big boy signal. That's all you gotta do. Hey, rice and beans. It don't take a whole lot. Mother Nature gonna give you what you need. And just talk with Mother Nature. I see.
What you gotta do.
Alright, Master P, I'm not gonna hold you up, man, 'cause I know what time it is. Hey, Master P, hey, pleasure on this end, man. I appreciate you stopping by the taco truck. I sure do. Take care, Master P. Your friend in Tijuana is clean and gone.
With rice and beans, all I do is talk to my radio, man. I Watergate all the time. So that's, I talk to my radio. I gotta do it because I put my gates up. And cat niggas be listening to it. Shit, I can't hold no cat niggas' hand. You all up in my 20-footer, so I gotta talk to you that break.
Hey, Hawaii Punch is waving, and I'm back in the easy chair. Hey, 135 Punch, that guy.
I like to get out before it happened, man. I like to get out the way, man. No doubt about it. Before I get run over. Hey, man.
out of the way before it happens. But I'ma tell you, man, it don't hurt. Hey, rice and beans, getting keyed on don't hurt. And see, that's why I make it. That's why I have fun on my radio, cause I don't get worried about nobody putting that ball on me, because they gotta bring that ass to get some ass, and every now and then this 20-footer will tear our ass straight up. I see.
Are you right about that? Hey, Master P, you right about that, man. I just get nervous. I get too nervous, man. Hey, Master P, I just get too nervous, man. I don't like dog pluggers keyed on my taco truck, but you're right, man. You're right. When you get Mother Nature, ain't nothing nobody can do about it. Hey, Master P, I like to get out the way before it happened. Rice and bean gone.
Well, alright then. You going cause you want to. Cause it wasn't nothing but a couple times that somebody made it rough on you, but it's all about you. But you getting out of the way. That's what you said. Alright, man, you have a great rest of the day. Taco Tuesday. Rice and beans, your little brother, and this great big transmitter, and this 20-foot quad, goddamn.
Tenfold. I'ma go not because I want to, but because I got some customers over here at the taco truck. I got these big mamas over here. They want me to doggone hook them up, get these tacos ready. So I'll be back. Hey, Master P, I got some customers, man. Have a good evening. Rice and bean is gone.
You're gonna make him green stamps. Go make the green stamps. And when I get through Watergate, I'm gonna put it up. YouTube. Master P 1967 all together. You'll hear what you was doing in my 20-footer. Master P 1967 on YouTube, and don't separate it. And I'll put it up a little later on. Hey, rice and beans, I'm getting down.
Tenfold. Hey, Master P, when you get up off that mall, I don't know who it is, man, but somebody jumping out like a check in a box. I'll let you later, man. Hey, Master P, I got some customers, man. I'll be back, though. Take care. Have a good evening. Rice and bean 10-6.
Make sure you fix about 12 tacos and feed it to them cat niggas. Hey, rice and beans, make sure you fix about 12 tacos and give it to that duck plucker and just put them in their mouth. Me and this 20-footer back reading the mail. I see.
Tenfold, me too.
Sidekick in Cali on this 1950 technology. Break.
So to get in when I get there.
It's a little later, man. You're showing it down out here on the mini.
They're dreaming about it. It's control. Die off. They're dreaming about it. And then these guys on Pal Talk. These convict and mud ducks. I can't stand them anymore. I can't do it. They're over there saying Fireball's a mud duck. Fireball can't do this. Fireball ain't got...
Well, you're not gonna say bye to me?
Really? You know I was reading the mail. At 1:35, you're not gonna say bye to me? Really? I'm back out. Talk about 388, Judah.
He said bye. Punch. He said bye. Now you happy? He said bye.
With that config mile down to the cows. Back out. In Aruba to Cuba. But that time around, there was Skyhawk in there.
Anytime, right back, King David. Hey, King David, I heard you in there. Good evening. Punch back out.
You can't hear anybody but Fireball. I got that god-thinking law laid down.
Appreciate it. You say you're watching my signal, I got it laid down. Well, I appreciate it. Hey, you have a good night. Hey, King David, you have a good night. Appreciate you bumping it down. Hey, King David, Punch West Side, back out. Click, 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 click. I appreciate it. King David, Punch West Side, back out.
Doing a couple things, man. I'm sure these guys sound like superstars through 91. Man, I bet they sounded like.
Hey, baby, love, I heard you when they got up. No ride, girl. Hawaii Punch, evening wave. I'm back to the easy chair.
You know that, man. Come on, man. You already know it. You know what I'm talking about sometimes.
You back on that hard man and dancing. Got the big tonight. Hey, what pretty price? You back on that.
When they get up under the bed. Modulator, man.
Hey, fuck, kid. Hey, you said you're on that modulator. Keyed up, there ain't no excuses. There ain't no excuses. You better get out that modulator. Yeah, fuck you, there's 135. I can tell. I can tell. Good job. I can tell what you're doing. No doubt. All right, let me get on out of here. Get me something to drink. 6 degrees in my shack. Hawaii Punch gone. Right back up while I go and drop the mic and to take time. Have a good night. Some guy up here. Some Why you standing up? I see you, 135, Punch West Side. Bye, 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 bye. I heard you that time, King David. Punch West Side, go. This is mine. King David. I'll be back, though. I'll be back. King David, I'm gone.
I don't even need him.
Good night, DD, man. I'll see you in line.
Big Dog, you still got me?
with me. I'm still running Boingo. Just trying to see what kind of trouble I can get into.
I tell you what, Papa. They say you hold what you lay down for the cow come home. And the cows don't ever come home. I don't have a whole lot of cows, but I got one or two when they come in. And a lead one got a bill on them. And one time she was stubborn, and she don't come home. So I got it hooked up with the Motel 6. I go down to the Motel 6. Because they leave the matter for the cows. So that's why I go pick my couple up. I got the Motel 6 going to leave right around 5 on. I got to go bye.
We're on the street and you're making a trip down here.
No, I don't think the left one will be different than one right. I don't think the left one is going to be very different than the other right coming in. Because they got them, I put some cowboy shoes on the feet like a little mule, so I can track them. I used to have to run them down and find out where they were. But like I said, I got into the Motel 6, and they said they need a line for you, so I told my cows, when you come out at night, go to the Motel 6, and the cow said, move, why we gotta do that, Johnny? I'm gonna leave a line on for you so you can get to your rooms, I'll see you, bye. If they come in and get ready to do it, and that annoy me. If they come out of the bill and keep moving about too much, they annoy me. So I get up and get fed and go out there to the water and lead the flock. We would take a little beat so it can be quiet. Quietness, peace and quiet. They don't be quiet, but fully leading those food, I got to put the ping back in line so I won't roll on and keep it on. I got to go outside with Ben. He grinned his people at me. He sent me all the people. Somebody right, I really got to move around, so bye. I ain't got no Mother Nature. Swagger game is easy too, man. I know you guys are full thousands. It's a whole lot of glass to get shoved up your ass. To my homeboy, Jimmy. That's my last key, Pablo. Bill James, give me a swag out your little round short. I'm going to go. I will be back. 5-0, John Oates. He's out of winner. Last stand for handicap station. South Carolina. Ricky Lee, right here. Don't turn back. I'm sure. Bye-bye.